Hi. I built a shelter canopy for taking to regional burns, and I've always used stakes made out of rebar, 2-3 feet long, and they work great in soft soil, but both times I've been to Lakes of Fire, the ground that I've been on has been practically hard-packed gravel after the first inch or so. It was almost impossible to drive a rebar stake into the ground. One time I had to move the canopy just because I could not get the rebar in after the first inch or so. So I've set up myself to use the system that some people have developed for anchoring shelter, shade shelters and so forth on the playa at Birmingham. These are 14-inch 3/8 lag screws and an impact driver, a couple of links of chain, and a washer here just to make the head spin a little better on the chain. And what this does is you've got a ground anchor in there that is not coming out no matter what you do. There's nothing sticking up, so people aren't going to be tearing their shins open, bumping into it at night. And when you're all done with the burn, just set the gun in and out they come. So I think this is the ticket. I will bring along my old rebar stakes in case we're in a real soft area, because if it's really soft, loamy, sandy earth, these things don't stick very well at all. You can just yank it out with your arm. But if the ground is as hard as it's been in the past, I'll be all set.